Comparing Axie Infinity Axie movesets explained versus alternatives is a crucial aspect of the game that can significantly impact gameplay and strategy. To understand this concept, it is essential to start with the basics. Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based game where players collect and breed digital creatures known as Axies, each with unique characteristics and movesets. A moveset in Axie Infinity refers to the combination of 4 cards that an Axie can use during battles. These cards determine the Axie's abilities, strengths, and weaknesses. The game offers a wide range of movesets, each with its advantages and disadvantages. Players must carefully select and combine cards to create a well-rounded moveset that suits their playstyle and Axie's attributes. When comparing Axie Infinity Axie movesets, it is vital to consider factors such as damage output, defense, and utility. A balanced moveset should include a mix of high damage cards, defensive cards, and utility cards that provide additional benefits such as healing or crowd control. Players should also consider the Axie's class, stats, and abilities when selecting a moveset. In contrast to Axie Infinity, alternative games may offer different types of movesets or card combinations. For example, some games may use a rock-paper-scissors system, where certain moves are super effective against others. Others may have a more complex system with multiple layers of strategy. When comparing Axie Infinity to these alternatives, players should consider the unique mechanics and gameplay of each game. To illustrate the importance of comparing movesets, let's consider a practical example. Suppose a player has an Axie with a high attack stat and wants to create a moveset that maximizes damage output. They may choose cards that deal high damage but have low defense, making the Axie vulnerable to counterattacks. In contrast, a player with an Axie that has high defense may choose cards that provide additional defense and utility, making the Axie more durable but less aggressive. Best practices for comparing Axie Infinity Axie movesets include experimenting with different card combinations, analyzing gameplay data, and adapting to the metagame. Players should also stay up to date with the latest game updates and balance changes, as these can significantly impact the effectiveness of certain movesets. By following these best practices and understanding the key concepts of movesets, players can create effective strategies and improve their gameplay. In conclusion, comparing Axie Infinity Axie movesets explained versus alternatives requires a deep understanding of the game's mechanics, card combinations, and strategies. By analyzing the strengths and weaknesses of different movesets and adapting to the metagame, players can gain a competitive edge and improve their overall gameplay experience. Whether playing Axie Infinity or alternative games, the key to success lies in mastering the art of moveset creation and strategy.